Well, dito po sa ating second floor, yan ang ating toy kingdom in order for the kids to enjoy speed stocking. Again, this is not a toy, this is a sport. And our winner for this tournament will be our representative for the World Tournament yan sa USA. So, mamaya palawan natin kasi mga may nagpo-compete to represent the Philippines for that championship, for that World Tournament of sports stocking. Okay, how's the with our speed stocking? Okay. Yeah, in order for you to go with your respective judge, yeah, we are inviting all the kids to po sa ating mga table, and please look at the yellow line ito po sa ating table. Yeah, for our category table, or for our division table. In order for you to join and make the judge see your time, yeah, let the kid na po sa ating participate po sa ating sa ating table judge, pwede po kayong pumunta doon. But, of course, we have the yellow line. So don't go beyond the yellow line here. Okay? And so, habang sila ngayon na nandito na po sa ating mga judges in the respective division. Okay, ang alam naman po doon po sa yellow line ay yung mga nag-stop ng mga kids. So again, kids, don't go beyond the line because the respective area doon po sa ating pong table ay yung nag-stop. Okay, so again, kids, enjoy and have fun. Again, this is our tournament, yung ating WSSA Philippines National Sports Stocking Tournament. Again, the sports stocking or the speed stocking is not only a toy, it's not only a toy, but also a sport. So they enjoy together with their friends, their classmates, together with the entire family with this sport. So again, kids, congratulations.